Hi everyone, my name is Jeff with Accurate Lock and Hardware, and I want to introduce you to a glass patch kit that is designed for a Schlage Wi-Fi cylindrical lock, commonly referred to as the NDE. This is the GO glass offset CYL, because this is a cylindrical chassis, NDE glass kit. This patch kit is offset on glass, so you'll see that there's a thin side here and a larger projection on here, because this door is actually going to close against privacy gasketing or stop. That's why it's offset on glass. So typically on 1/2 inch thick tempered glass, this kit made by Accurate Lock can be installed long before this lock shows up. So basically the kit goes on the door, and then the Schlage NDE lock can be installed months later as if it was being installed on a wooden door.